lucky winner, straight away to the next one. We go from that lucky winner, straight away to the next one. Let's have a look how he's coming. Let's have a look how he's won. Ladies and gents, if you just joined in this day, nothing to go through today. Yes, lady, number 2, 15. Happy hour right here, right now. It's the best time to play, the best time to win. In happy hour, you get to choose any prize that you see on the show. You get to choose any prize anywhere right here, right now, as fast as you buy the tickets. We guarantee to have away these prizes. And we don't stop. They're not for show. They're not there or there. Every toy, every prize has got to go in the show. They're all in one room. Every show has got to match the numbers, mix and match the ticket side. You have lots of the greens. The right set, if you like the win today, that's the one that you like, that's the one you get there. You like the giant one, look at the size of this one. Look at the size of this one. This is once again one of the happy hour special prizes. This one here is normally 2 wins, and you've got 21. Well done, hold on to your tickets. We've got 3 winners straight away, folks. We've got 3 more winners right here, right now. 3 games as well when you're in, okay? And there's your giant one, it's all yours. From that winner, we go straight down this side now to our next winner. Straight down this side, hold on to them, so you're next after this gentleman down here. We've got loads of winners here today, we've got loads of prizes. Let's have a look how you've done it, let's have a look how you've won. Take a look at this one, ladies and gents. That one there is the easiest way of winning on this game with a 21 straight and 21 blackjack ticket. That one there is the easiest way of winning right now, a 21 straight blackjack. And you can choose any prize on show. And you like the giant Eagle Piggle. You like the giant Eagle Piggle. If that's the one that you like, that's right here, right now. Eagle Piggle as well. You like the giant Eagle Piggle. Whoopah, whoopah, whoopah. We've got loads of winners here today. We've got loads of prizes to be won to give away on this game. You like the giant Eagle Piggle. If that's the one that you like, that's the one to get now. Now my next lucky winner. Right here, right now. Now we're not joking, we're not kidding. Not a problem, lady. Yeah, if that's the one that you like. There's another winner there, winner down the end there. One down there, one over there. Loads of winners here today. Loads of prizes. But we don't stop until the store is completely empty. 21 is the combination that you are looking for. Yes, it is. This young lady's got to win it this time with a 10 and 8. He's 18 and 3 gives us 21. Ladies and gents, there's our next winner right here, right now. 10 and 8 is 18 and 3 gives us 21 blackjack. There's our next lucky winner right here, right now. We've got loads of winners today. We've got loads of prizes. We don't stop until the store is completely empty. Every toy has got to go today. Yes, young lady, any prize on show. You want the pink one the same as that with the pink one, no problem. If that's the one you like, that's the one you get now. Whoopah, 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 the big giant one. Look at the size of this one. Here today we're going to clear the stall. Here today we're going to empty the entire show. Every toy has got to go. There's got to be one on this game. What's the game? Yeah, lady. 3 game when you win. One down there for you, young lady. It's all yours. The giant one is there. 2 winners there. One just gone down there with the Eagle Piggle. One over this side. One down the end. We've got loads of winners here today. We've got loads of prizes. We don't stop until we clear the entire show. We done it yesterday, folks. Today is no exception. Every toy, every prize has got to go. We're doing right here, right now. As fast as you buy the tickets, we hand away these prizes. Yes, sir. As fast as you buy the tickets, we hand away the prizes. But you have got to play to win. You've got to be in it to win it. You'll never win if you never try the game. It's well worth a try. The lucky winner takes away any prize on show, any prize in the life of today. For one minute over there. Come right in. And give me the prize in the now. Any prize on show, any prize in the life. Thank you. 5 for 2, 9 for 3, 15 for 5 cash. There's one with any prize on show, there's one with any prize that you like. If you like to give it a try, you're right to give it a go now. Join in with us. Open up the tickets, add up the numbers now. Yes, you've done it again for the third win. They got the outfit down this side. They've done it again. This time they're down this side. I've got 2 lots of tickets and they won 3 prizes. This time they've done it with 280, 16 with a 5 is 21 blackjack. Well done there, coach. Any prize on the show there for you. Any prize you like, there's our next winner. We've done it 3 times this time we're down this side. There's one win. Any prize. Who's going to be the next lucky winner now? Join in with us and give the game a try. Give it a go now. 15 user. All you've got to do is open them up, add up the numbers down. Another winner there, winner there, winner there, one there, one there. 5 for 2 times. The lucky winner takes away any prize on show. Top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom. Left to right here today. Now they won't win any prize. Who's going to be the next lucky winner now? Open up the tickets. Add up the numbers now. Mix and match the numbers. Yes, sir. Let's have a look how you've done it. Let's have a look how you've won. Yes, there it is. There it is. There it is. 10 with a 9 is 19. 19 and a 2 gives us 21. 10, 2 and 9 gives us 20. Bring in the one for you, Pop. One down there for you. It's all yours. The giant side of the ground. Come right in. Sure in with it. 10, 2 and a 9 gives us 21 blackjack. 10, 2 and 9 gives us 21 blackjack. There's our next. Lucky winner, our next super winner. If you want to play, you want to win, folks. This is where the big giant prizes are coming from now. You've seen the winners, you've seen the prizes. Every toy, every prize is going to go. Yes, sir. 15 view. All you've got to do is open them up, add up the numbers now. Mix and match your numbers here today. Mix and match your tickets now, folks. Your best score is 21. 21 is the combination that you are looking for. 21 blackjack takes away the 5. Who's going to be the next now? Join in with us. And gives again the 5. 21 is the combination that you are looking for. 21 blackjack takes away the prizes here today that you see on the show. Now they won't win any prize. Step right forward, come right in and give again the prize. There we go. 21 in here today. Hold up your tickets and give them away. If you make the score of 21, we'll serve you right here, right now with any prize on show. So join in the ritual again the prize, yes sir. And there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. There's our next winner. Gentlemen, this time have done it the easiest way of winning with a 21 straight and 21 blackjack. The easy way is one single winning ticket. That one there is the easiest way of winning on this game. With a 21 straight and 21 blackjack. That's the easiest way. Well done. Any prize on show there for you folks. Any prize that you like. Thank you, folks. All you've got to do is open it up, add up the numbers. Yes, sir. The big round there, yes, we'll get you on that phone. That's the one you want. That's the one we'll get you. We have our next winner right here, right now. Now they're not for show. There's our next lucky winner. Right here, right now. 82 is 10 with a 66. And you've got 21. Well done. Hold on to your tickets. We've got 2 more winners. 8 and 2 is 10 with a 60 is 16. 16 and 5 is 21 blackjack. There's our next winner right here, right now. There's our next super win. Well done there. Any prize on show there for that one? Any prize that you like? The big blue bear, you like the big giant blue Lotso Hugging Bear. Lotso Hugging Bear. There's our next winner. Right here, right now. There's our next lucky winner. Our next super win. You like the giant Lotso Hugging Bear. There's our next lucky winner. The next super win. We go from one winner to the next, to the next, to the next all day long. 3 days for you. One down there for you. From that winner, we go right next door to this gentleman here. Let's have a look how you've done it. Let's have a look how you've won. And you've done it with a 10 and 7 today, folks. If you want to play the game, you want to join in now, folks. Step right forward, come right in, and give the game a try. Give it a go now. Open up the tickets. Add up the numbers on the inside of the tickets now, folks. If you put 21, you can get any prize on the any prize on the show. Any prize that you like here today, any prize that you see on the show, not just one around now. All you've got to do is open them up and let the numbers down. Mix and match your numbers here today. Mix and match your numbers, mix and match your teams now, folks. You give us 21, we'll give you any prize on show. 21 is the combination that we are looking for. 21 blackjack, the number to go for 21 minutes to go. Yes, who's the next? 2 minutes down the road. Hold up your team. Hold up your team down the road. Hold up your team. Hold up your numbers down so you know the score is 21. We've got a looking for a green one up there. You want a green one, please, sir? Who's our next chap? Join in with us. Give it a try. Give it a go now. Hold on to your things. Go to the
Alex,
We're going to clear the court today. We're with you in a second. Your next sir. There's our next sir. Diggle, 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 diggle. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come on. Whoa! From that winner, we go to the next winner. Let's have a look how you've done. Now let's have a look. Diggle, one down there for you, sir. Well done. Let's have a look how you've won. There's our next winner right here, right now. Now, ladies and gents, if you've not seen a winning combination, there's our next one right here, right now. 10, 2 and 9. 10, 2 and 9. Right here, right now. 10, 2 and 9. And you've got 21. Hold on 2 seconds, ladies. We'll see you in a second. Your mate. 10, 2 and 9. Well done there, sir. Any prize on the show? Blackjack, 10, 2 and 9. Those are going to be today. Loads of guys on here today to the one. If you like to play, you like to join in that place.
Let's imagine he's just taken off, because he's going quite slowly. 2 engines, capable of reheat. It's got more power than it's got weight. The Typhoon by Scott Buffett, 15 knots. It's gone a bit quiet. He's throttled back the engines, air brakes, slowing the aircraft down. Because it's a delta-shaped wing, he can get that nose really high because the wing produces lift. And now that very high angle of attack. Angle of attack being the angle at which the wing meets this